Thanks for coming to CRD. My name's Tim. This is the equipment that we use here to process all the tubes and flat stuff. This machine is specially designed and built by us here at CRD. We do a lot of prototype and production run stuff, but without having the fully automatic laser, we have a semi-automatic laser that still requires the user to load, but at the same time too, we can still produce the same amount of parts as a fully automatic laser without all the unloading stuff.
Our main focus with everything we do is all tubular design components, and we specialize in space frames, not just monster trucks, but we do stuff for NASA and various other companies that use tubular products. So we do a little bit of everything.
And as far as what we were looking for the software to run it, we wanted to use all the high-tech stuff that's out there that no longer uses DXFs or require DXFs to file. So that's when we came across the SigmaTUBE software. To my right, you'll see where we can do up to 24-foot lengths of 7-inch round OD tube. And now we use all the SigmaTUBE software to take care of that. When we first built our equipment that we have, we looked at entertained 3 different other products, and we found that SigmaTUBE gave us the best versatility of going, from our model directly to NC data out to the machine without having to cut the first one, send it out the machine, find we have to make a change, make the change, export it out of SolidWorks into the other software. There's definitely the continuity of how it works is much better, and that's what for a lot of the prototype stuff that we do, that's what saves us a tremendous amount of time going back and forth as far as we can make a change in hole size and then re-NC it and send it right out to the machine. The reason why we like the performance of how SigmaTUBE works is a lot of our client base, you can see the model that's loading in the background, they want to have one each of the files that are in that assembly. There's about 200 plus tubes within that assembly. And with SigmaTUBE, it gives you the opportunity to nest 200 unique files over the course of 10 or 20 lengths of material without having to make individual program data to send out to the machine. Just the interface is extremely well with using SolidWorks data to actually creating the finished product.